your hands out of your pockets now.
No.
Get your hands out of your pockets.
No.
Get your hands out of your pocket and put them up. Go to red.
Ven por mí.
Come here.
Ven, no tú.
Come here.
Tú ven.
Put your hands on your head.
Manos arriba.
Ven por mí.
Come here.
Tú por mí.
Why?
Ven.
Why?
Ven.
Come here.
Ven, no tengas,
Where are you gonna go?
no tengas miedo.
No?
No, ven.
Come on.
I'm gonna stand right here in case the guy tries to come over.
Okay.
Actually, you can't come through there. There's no way for us to get through either. I can't fit there. Good.
All right, man.
Hey, go in there and check
Can
and
you
see
turn around?
if
Put your hands behind your back.
Turn around.
Hands behind your back. No?
It's mucho caliente. No?
Put your hands behind your back, man.
I'm gonna ask you to leave soon a bit.
What?
I'm gonna ask you just to back up a little bit.
¿Cómo vamos a hacer? De aquí no podemos. Tenemos que salir.
Regulatory requirements, and you guys are in violation
Vamos
of
a
the
tener que ir.
requirements right now, okay? So in a minute, we're gonna institute FRA requirements. Federal Railroad Administration, there's safety rules. There's safety rules. You have to have a certain distance between you or park.
Yeah, totally. I'm not in anybody's way.
Can we just get you like off the platform?
Why? I don't understand. What's the problem? I'm not in their way. Like I'm observing them do their job.
There's a thing called the FRA safety rules and regulations, and they're about to come into play because we don't want anybody to get hurt.
Okay.
And that's the Federal Railroad Administration.
Everyone around here is qualified.
We're actually going to push all the way to the palm trees, but probably to the edge of that building, like where those cones are.
It's because you guys are embarrassed or what? What's
No,
going
we're
on?
bringing a dog out, so
All
just
right,
for
man.
everyone's safety.
Give me some slack. And I'll just...
Morning. How are you? Thank you. Morning.
Morning. They got probation here. They have the probation department here too. Wow. All right, they're backing off now. I think they have something's going on. They're all backing off. They got him. Now he's front cuffed. He's front cuffed. No one's behind him, I don't think. So they're backing off and he's coming towards them. There you go, guys.
For code 4, one in custody. Show 1015.
Good thing you guys put that tape up.
What was that? Oh, it's gonna work. About a minute.
The tape was pivotal to the operation. The tape was instrumental in the detention.